Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're making peanut butter chip cookies. Soft, chewy, and perfect in every way. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to put in your 2 sticks of very soft butter. So this is not just room temperature, this is a little bit more softer. Then you're also going to add in your brown sugar, your white sugar, and your peanut butter. All the measurements will be in the description box. I am using my hand mixer because you want to really get this nice and mixed up really well so it can be nice and airy. So continue blending this for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is completely combined. I like to look for when my peanut butter gets a little bit lighter in color, then I know I'm ready for my next step. Also, a quick reminder, if you're not a subscriber yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I am looking to get to my first 1,000 subscribers and I need your help. So please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. After you have scraped down the sides of your bowl, you will add in your 2 eggs, your vanilla, and you're going to blend that up again until it's nice and aerated and fluffy. Using the really soft butter, it blends in very nicely with the peanut butter and all the ingredients. To my flour, I will add in my baking powder, baking soda, and I'll whisk it all together, and then I'll add it to my wet ingredients. I use a spatula to fold in my flour, and you can use a spoon, or you can use your stand mixer, or maybe even a hand mixer. I just didn't want to overmix my dough. I like folding in and stirring in my flour into my wet ingredients because it really helps to not overmix this dough. You will be surprised how quickly this flour incorporates into the peanut butter mixture. I think it took me maybe 3 minutes to get it all worked in. I did a little bit more of a smearing it into the peanut butter and stirring. It really came together quickly. I'll be adding this peanut butter flavored chips to my dough. You can also use a Reese's one or chocolate chips. I found these at Myers and I wanted to try these because I've never had these ones before. I've always tried the Reese's or chocolate chips, but wanted to try this and I think they came out really nicely. I should also mention that I placed these peanut butter chips in the freezer about 10 minutes before I started baking. It really helps to keep the dough nice and chill, and it keeps all of the chips from melting or over melting when baking. I went ahead and prepared my cookie sheet with a silicone mat. You can also use parchment paper. And then I took my cookie scoop and I just level off as much as possible because I didn't want them to be too large or too small. And I just rolled it in my hand. I think I got about 8 cookies on one tray. So I reserved a half a cup of the chips so I can place those on top of my cookies before I bake them. I also placed this bowl in the fridge because I wanted my chips to stay cool. Like I said earlier, when you have cool chips, they tend to keep their shapes even after they are baked. So I wanted my chips to be nice and cool. And here I am just pressing them down a little bit, mostly because I didn't want my cookies to be over thick. I wanted to be thick, but not too thick. Just right. When you're done, you're going to bake your cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. I think I went with 10 minutes and it just was perfect for the inside and the outside. Here they are, beautiful, very soft and chewy. It's the way I like my peanut butter cookies. So if you tried this recipe, please let me know and give it a thumbs up. I hope to see you in my other videos. And as always, thanks for stopping by. Please take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.